Hey everyone, I'm getting ready to post this announcement, but I wanted to quickly explain what it was. This is an opportunity for you to earn a little more extra credit on your next exam, Chapter 12. Hopefully, you've worked through all your homework. You're currently working on your Chapter 12 review in my math lab. Remember, do that review as many times as you need to in order to feel comfortable before going into the test. And remember, if you do that review with at least an 80%, you'll get your first extra credit toward your Chapter 12 test. This is an opportunity for even more extra credit. What I'm going to ask you to do is take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete this course level assessment, a CLA. Actually, every 212 student on campus will be taking this quick little test. It's just a way for us to gather some data. There's only 6 questions. Like I said, it will only take you about 15 to 20 minutes. If you click here to this link where the CLA quiz will pop up, you'll enter the 4-digit passcode. Our passcode is 5836. You're going to enter in our class section number, that's 33395. Make sure you put in your first and your last name. This is how I'm going to find your score to give you the extra credit. And then make sure you answer all 6 questions and push submit. When you do that, make sure you do that before test day, which is October 2nd. What I will do on the 3rd is I will find your score, and for every question you get right out of the 6, I'll give you another point toward your Chapter 12 exam. So it's risk-free, but please do the best you can to show what you've learned throughout this course and especially in this chapter. If you have any questions, let me know, but please make sure you take this CLA, this course level assessment, by October 2nd to earn your extra credit.